Pagdali. Meron. Uy, ito sila.
Ipasa-pasa. Kita dua deh.
Ako first ako.
Gimana po deh?
Toxic someone. Hi guys!
Ay, nakuhan ba balik? Wala na. Wala
Ay, isang vlog. Ipasok ng phone na to. Passing this phone to.
Mas, guys, come on, it's yours.
Come on, it's yours.
Ana din. Sige. Ay, ka-teacher ba? Iyan.
Uy, pulig na. Ikaw man magdahon.
Ikaw, diretso na ako na. 4 ako. Shit, the walk is it?
Dili ko makita.
Ako!
Goyok daw, goyok.
Hi.
Goyok daw.
Sama lang. Hi.
Cellphone ni Gia.
Guys, naman namin si TP guys.
Hi, Gia. Hi, guys.
Hi guys. So this is me looking beautiful and together with this basa tubangan.
Our speaker, Miss Jessica Hope Escobar, is a dedicated and accomplished individual whose journey reflects perseverance, excellence, and commitment to personal growth. She began her academic journey at Banao Elementary School, where she consistently demonstrated her abilities by earning recognition such as second honorable mention and distinctions in various competitions, including second placer in math challenge, third placer in math event, and third placer in speech prize. She continued her secondary education where she graduated with the distinction of with honor, further showcasing her dedication to academic excellence. Pursuing higher education, she attended Buenavista Community College during the school year 2024 to 2025, continuing her journey towards professional success. Adding to her achievements, she is now a registered criminologist, having successfully passed the board examination last March 13, 2026, a testament to her hard work, determination, and passion for her chosen field. Today, she stands before us not only as a professional, but as an inspiration to many. Her story reminds us that with perseverance and dedication, success is achieved. Without further ado, let us all warmly welcome our speaker, Miss Jessica